welcome to Veggie Village, where all the vegetables live happily together. Meet Tommy the Tomato. He's super fast, but a little boastful. This is Carrie the Carrot. She's clever and always has a plan. Over here is Bobby the Broccoli. He's full of energy, but oh so clumsy. And last but not least, Penny the Pumpkin. She's slow but very thoughtful. Tomorrow is the Great Veggie Race, and everyone is excited. It's race day. Mr. Potato is the referee. On your marks, get set, go! And they're off! Tommy zooms ahead, showing off his speed. I'm the fastest. No one can beat me. But, oh no, Tommy slips on a banana peel. Whoosh! Splat! Funny sound effects. The crowd laughs and claps. Carrie thinks she's clever and takes a shortcut. But oh no, she gets stuck in a bush. Bobby is bouncing around, but he trips over his own feet and falls into a pile of leaves. Boing, crash. More funny sound effects. And Penny? She's moving slowly but steadily, smiling and waving at everyone. Oh no! The veggies have reached a big river with no bridge. Tommy tries to jump across, but splash! He falls into the water. Carrie tries to build a raft, but it falls apart. Bobby tries to bounce across, but he lands in the water too. What will they do? Penny has an idea. Let's work together. Tommy uses his round shape to roll logs. Carrie ties them with vines. Bobby carries the logs, and Penny directs the plan. They build a bridge and cross the river together, cheering and laughing. We did it! Mr. Potato blows his whistle. The winners are everyone, because you work together as a team. The veggies celebrate with a funny dance. Cue upbeat music. Veggies, veggies, work as a team. Together, we can achieve any dream. And the crowd claps and cheers. Kids, remember, when we work together, we can achieve anything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories. Bye-bye!